Good morning. I slept pretty good last night. Ooh, it's just cold. I hope y'all are having a good day. Today's work and school day. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join this wolf pack, and I'll see you soon. Bye y'all. Alright, I'm here quickly and something came in the mail. And I will hopefully be doing an unboxing when I get home. But this is from Loot. Let's see, because I spent $200 on a box, and let's see if it's worth the... What's up, you guys? I thought about, instead of making a whole video on Loot, I'm just gonna put it in my Vlogmas vlog. So I got this today. Oh boy. It just came like this. The note on top has my name on it. It says, peculiar things await those with kindness in your hearts, Loot. I give you one thing. Whoever wrote this, they had nice handwriting. And look at that little owl, that little letter. I did pay $200 for this box, so let's see what is in it. Ooh, they got this awesome packaging. I think that's really cool. And their own little sticker. Oh, whoa. We got their little pop. Let's not pop this in the house. I'll be forever vacuuming it. Should we leave the big box? It's another one. Ooh. I did order this in August. I'm just now getting it. And I'm waiting for my niece's box. I know my nephew's Mickey Loot is coming, so I'm really excited about that. Should we try this one? Oh! What? Okay. Nope. We're getting ahead of ourselves. I'm just gonna dig out the little stuffings. Oh! We got a Hufflepuff bookmark. That is so cute. I love that. Man, this is nice. I really like this. Hey, Universal Studios. That's awesome. When I went, I didn't see this one. So it looks cool. Wow. I like that. Should go for this one. Ooh, Universal. Oh, these earrings. Oh, get out. Wingardium Leviosa, and they have those cute. Oh, feathers. It says Wingardium Leviosa on the back of it. I like it. That's nice. I have to start wearing earrings again. And I got this cool. It was wrapped nicely, and then in the mail it just goes jumble. Yes, let's go. They knew. I told them I am a Hufflepuff. You know, when Pottermore came out, they put me in Hufflepuff, and then when I took it again, they put me in Gryffindor. This is a Danielle Nicole bag. Yes. Oh. I can support my other side now. Hufflepuff stuff and Gryffindor stuff. Wow, I'm impressed. Not gonna lie. Look at that. You got the Gryffindor tie, you got the Gryffindor crest. Oh, yes. This is so stinking cute. Home run. Alright, now we got the big thing in there. And it's a licensed Harry Potter thing too. Oh boy. You are huge. Oh! And there's another thing in here. Okay. I didn't see that. We're gonna still go with the smaller ones. Look at that cute packaging. Ugh, I swear. Everything is full. I don't have this. Products inspired by the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. This is Noble Collection. That is wicked. Wizard's money. Look at that. Wow. I'm impressed. This is awesome. I am shook. Last but not least, we have McGonagall is my top favorite professor. I love her. And they hit a home run with this. Look at this beautiful figurine. Shall we open it? I think we shall. This is amazing. Potter loot. Like the swoopes of her cloak, the names on there. Malfoy, we got Weasley, we got Harry. She's holding the Sorting Hat. Maggie Smith is a queen. But yeah, let's discuss everything. This was an amazing box. I have styrofoam all over me. The only thing I wish is that I want to come back to Potter Loot, but I also want them to get a lot better. Especially with, you know, people of Mickey Loot and then Potter Loot. You have the two biggest fandoms in the world. But holy crap. This was amazing. Like, everything is perfect. You had my Hufflepuff side to my Gryffindor side, to collecting, to me possibly getting my ears re-pierced, because those are amazing. And I am a collector of statues and collectibles, and that is amazing. It was a D-ticket box with 200, and even though they didn't give me like a packing slip or anything, I think this goes way above 200. So I hope to come back to Potter Loot. They just have to figure themselves out. Everything was perfect. I loved everything. Figure themselves out. Figure out your customer service. But this is awesome. You know, no one should be waiting 6 months, 5 to 6 months for stuff that's awesome. That's this awesome. Let me say that way. But man, the only thing I'm waiting on is Delaney's Christmas box, and Joshua's Mickey Loot is coming around, so I hope they get to Delaney's very soon. But this, I'm impressed. I just hope that they figure themselves out before anything gets too late or anything. But yeah, Mickey Loot / Potter Loot, this was a home run. My only gripes was what I said, but customer service and the wait. The wait is... But yes, that was awesome. That was an awesome unboxing, and I'm going to give y'all a closer look. Oh, that Danielle Nicole bag. I love her bags. Her bags are great. And you got my second house right. I didn't find most as like a Hufflepuff, but I like my Gryffindor side too. But yeah, good box. Excellent. This is an excellent way to come home after a long day of work and school. So thank you very much. Alright, moving right into the Advent calendar. Today is the 13th, so we're right up here. Let me put this glass right here. So I don't... Oh! Come on, open sesame. Ooh, a light. Ooh, this one's gonna be tricky for me to say. Don't laugh. Snowy Night, Winter Wonderland, Sauvignon Blanc, California. I told you don't laugh. Sometimes these names get really, really tricky. Alright. The 20th is the last of this row. Coming down to the wire. Ooh, it's interesting smell. Strong white wine. Oh. That Potter loot, even though it took long, it didn't disappoint. Only I wish it got me some pens or some peppermint toads. Peppermint toads are the if you know what I mean. Pinky up. Cheers to new beginnings. You know, I want to like this one, but the Riesling and the Brut Rosé so far are the best in these calendars. I don't know. I don't really care for this. I like very sweet wines like Moscato. The Brut Rosé was delicious on the tongue. And the Pinot Grigio was pretty good too. But all in all, it's good. But it's not my favorite. Man, I'm going to be swimming in styrofoam for months. So if you... sorry. But anyway, I'm about to get a shower. I'm going to take off this little bandage for the first time. So I'll see y'all here in a few... It's a few seconds for you, but it'll be like probably half an hour of me screaming, hopefully not in pain, but in happiness. This is my first tattoo. I hope I don't mess it up. Anyway, I'll see y'all on the other side. Look at my floor. Tomorrow I'm going to put all this stuff away. We're going to do a little bit of cleaning. Well, I am. Look at that. All styrofoam. I styroed myself again. But for dinner tonight, I have my Hufflepuff cup with some water, of course. I'm trying to stay away from the energy drinks. That's my big problem. I got rid of all the dark sodas that I used to drink, even the green one. The Mountain Dew, that was the toughest one to get rid of. But, like, Coca-Cola was my favorite. Mountain Dew, orange soda. Oh gosh, I had the biggest craving for orange soda today. I even have cravings for 7-Up or Sprite. Even though they're not like dark sodas, I want to stay away from them because then it'll only make me want to drink a Coca-Cola. Because I love me a nice, refreshing Coca-Cola. I like Pepsi, but I'm one of those people that Coke's it better. But on today's menu, we had that water, And now, chicken casserole. This stuff is so good. But I'll see you tomorrow. Well, I should show you my prints. Hold on, let me get that. This is for my final. We're doing black and white printing. We all know this handsome man. That's my hoodie. Oh, that's my phone. Working on this one. I love this one, especially since it kind of has like that kind of like old theme or like haunted theme. I really like that. That's really cool. And last, you've never met her before, but this is my niece. She's so cute. I love portraits. I love taking portraits. Portraits is one of my favorite things in photography to do. So if you're in Missouri and looking for a photographer, text me. Birdcatcher photography right here. Anyway, I'm out for the day. It's a shorty, but a goodie. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join this wolf pack, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.